Okay, operating a rivet nut, just using a simple tool, simple homemade tool. All we do is we've drilled a hole to suit the bolt, place our rivet nut on to our little bracket, like so, fit it into the hole, as you can see, very straightforward. Now simply by holding this bracket and turning the screw, is going to collapse that nut into place. I use an air ratchet because it's the easiest way to do it. Voila. Rivet nut collapsed into place. Just bring that up so I can get a close-up look at the inside there. Yeah, I reckon that shows it. And now we can just fit our nut. Done deal. And to stop, I just press this on here.